Guys, this is a rare setting you will not see very often. The Speed is parked inside the garage. Whew. Oh shit! Oh my god, I just tripped. That's awkward. Wait. Let me get a little bird's eye view right here. Okay. She looking kind of cute. Yeah, as you can see, we've been hit with snow like all week. If only I could show you. Actually, why don't I show you? Guys, look how tall that snow is. Look at that. I had to shovel this whole driveway with a broken shovel, guys. A broken shovel, my guy. Shoveled all this by myself, guys. Winter is no joke, but goddamn, boys, she looks pretty freaking good, man. Parked up, and as you can see, certified snowplower, you already know. What's up, everyone? It is currently midnight, and I am dealing with the most first world problem you'll ever encounter. I am stressing myself out to the absolute limit trying to find wheels. I'm going to be explaining where I'm at, what options I have, how close I was to buying certain wheels, and then they got sold. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I have like this ghetto setup right now. I literally have my tripod set up like on some pillows and shit, so hopefully this turns out okay. Man, this is, oh my god. Okay, so you guys know I've been looking for Enkei RPF1s, and I was gonna buy this one set, but the problem is when he first came to me, he offered me a price that was relatively close to brand new. So for reference, they were from JSpec. That's like a local shop to me, very good shop. They were offering it for $1,400, brand new, the exact spec I wanted, and he was only asking like $100 or $200 under, like brand new. So I was like, screw it, like there's no point. So I called JSpec earlier this week, and they say, yeah, it went up to $1,700. And it's not just this shop. Like I called a bunch of different shops. They are the cheapest I could find for brand new for 17x9 plus 45. So I don't know. So I'm just on my computer right now. I've been spending like I don't even know how long just looking for wheels. This is retarded, guys. Like honestly, I should not be stressing this much. This is what happens with me. Like when I have my mind set on something and then it doesn't really work out, like I get super fixated on it and I just have to find like a solution or figure out what to do. So I was like, you know what, screw it. I hit him up, and then he's like, yeah, the wheels are sold. I'm like, shit, because I was ready for I was ready with cash. I was like, you know what, like there's no point in buying used, or there's no point in buying new. So I figured, okay, I'll buy used, and plus, it's like one of those things where it's RPF1s. You know, it's nothing like a crazy wheel, and I'm gonna be tracking at the end of the day, so I don't want to spend a significant amount of money on wheels I'm gonna track. So that was the initial plan. He sold it. I got unlucky, man. However, guys, there is hope. There is hope. So, you know, it's January right now. We still have like 3.5 more months until like I want to throw in my summer. So we have time. I already have the tires figured out. Like I already know where I'm buying it for, how much I'm paying for that. It's just the rims, man. The rims, oh my god, guys. It is, fuck. This is so stupid. For freaking iPhones, man, like you'd expect the quality to be really good, but it's really not that good. In low light, to be honest, whatever. It's all a scam. Okay, anyways, guys, I need your help. So it's like one of those things where you can tell me like a bunch of different wheel suggestions. Like I've had a lot of people say NTO3s. I really don't like NTO3s. I think they're kind of ugly, to be honest. A couple other ones, like people have really tried to show me like super speeds. I'm not really a fan of super speeds, I'll be honest with you guys. It's not my style of wheels. Just some other ones. I just really have my heart set on the RPF1s. I have one other set of wheels that I've been looking at, but I still want the RPF1s. Like I've had my heart set on it for so long, like I envisioned it and everything, and I'm really hard pressed on it. And to be honest with you guys, it's like the only wheel I really want to go with, but I'll show you guys what I've been looking at. Okay, so what I've been looking at is Konig Dekagrams. This is what they're called. So these look pretty good, I would say. Again, they're a very basic wheel. The one thing I like about them is they're pretty cheap for what they are. And like they look pretty decent, and you can't really go wrong with them. They look pretty good. It's just, I don't know, like they're kind of basic, and I mean, okay, I'm trying to buy RPF1s. Those are basic as it gets, but I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? You think the Dekagrams look good, or here? For anyone who doesn't even know what RPF1s are, Enkei RPF1. So yeah, RPF1s, I mean, you can't go wrong. Obviously, I want the black one with the red sticker and shit, because that looks badass. Or, well, stupid Google. The Dekagrams. These are my only two options I have, to be honest. I've spent, I don't even know how long looking for wheels, so let me know what you guys think. Mind you, this is going to be like, if I were to buy it new for new, like $400, $500 cheaper. So, obviously in black too. I'm going to get it in black. I don't want any other color. Don't try to convince me. I want it in black. Yeah, these are pretty good. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I really want the RPF1s, but this is like, I'm trying to look for other options just to say that I at least looked, and this is like the best I could come up with. I did find this one wheel. Here, I'll show you guys it. So I found these. These are really nice. These are the Enkei RS05RRs. These are really nice wheels, but the problem is they're way too expensive. Like, guys, like, there's like a fine line of how much I want to spend on wheels, and this is just way too much, to be honest. This is at least like a good like 2K plus just for wheels that I'm going to track. To me, it's not worth it, man. Not worth it. So yeah, probably still going to go with the RPF1s. If you guys have any, like, I want to say if you have any suggestions, like, you can let me know, but I've already looked at like every single wheel possible, and I just really can't find any other wheels that I like that are meant for the track, are relatively inexpensive for what they are. They look good, and yeah, so shit, man, this is stressing me out, guys. This should not be stressing me this out, but if any of you guys can relate to this, let me know so I feel better. It is literally past midnight right now, and I realize it's been like 4 days since I posted a video last, so I figured I'd have to make a video right now just to, you know, stay in the upload grind, because I got a busy week this week with school and then with work. So literally tomorrow all the way to Friday, like, no free time to make videos. So I figured, you know what, I finished early at work, gotta make some sort of video. On the other hand, good news is my headlights are almost done. So not this weekend, but the weekend after that, they should be done and going on the car. So Jose, he painted it. I think he finished painting it last weekend. He said they look really good. I'm not going to tell you guys anything about it. Just know they're going to look sick. And as soon as they're done, they're going to go in the car. I just got to get PPF'd and then put the eyelids on top. So that's going to be a process. But yeah, I'd say within the next 2 weeks, guys, expect to see the new headlights. It's going to be absolutely phenomenal. I cannot wait. This guy Jose hasn't even shown me like any pictures of it. He's literally just been telling me, yeah, I've been doing this, I've been doing that, and that's all. Like, he just wants to like see my first initial reaction in person, which, I mean, I'm not okay with, but I'm also okay with, because I like a good surprise, and I know you guys are excited too, so it's gonna be sick. Sorry, I know, no crazy sort of video idea. It's just a little more laid back. I don't mind videos like this. They're easy, and you know, it's more personal. It's nice to talk to you guys, even though I'm like technically talking to myself right now, but I'm foreshadowing myself talking to you when you watch this video, if that makes any sort of sense. But guys, look, sorry, this is like super zoomed in, but I don't want you guys to see how messy my room is. Yo, I literally have these parts just sitting like every single day just staring at me like, install me now, install me now. It sucks, guys. I hate the winter. Listen, I know RPF1s are super basic. You're tired of seeing them, but the thing is, I've always loved RPF1s, and I've always wanted to run it on my car. So it kind of seems like the perfect opportunity. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know. Dekagram, the RPF1s. I don't know. I'd have to find a really good deal on the RS05RRs, if that's what they're called. I'd really have to find a good deal because I can't justify spending like 2+ grand on a fucking wheel I'm going to track and I'm only going to use for like half the year because of winter. So that's another thing too about like Canada that just sucks is you can't even run your summer wheels and tires like the whole year like guys in California and Florida can. Like, it's just not fair. You know, you spend all this money on these wheels and you can't even see them the whole year. It sucks, man. And man, we've been getting hit with snow non-stop, bro. Guys, if you live in the GTA, yo, tell me how bad your experience was. Like shoveling your driveway, getting your car stuck out of like a pile of snow. It was fucked. I literally broke my back. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, you would have seen that I was asking you guys if you think I would make it to work, and I actually did. So guys, never doubt the freaking speed. If you're ever thinking about dialing your speed, get some good winter tires. You're good to go. Anyways, it is late as hell. This was just a shorter kind of video, just updating you guys, informing you on what's going on. I really have my heart set on the RPF1s. For tires, I didn't even mention that. I'm running the Hankook Ventus RS4s. 255, 40, 17s. Oh boy, those shits are going to be thick. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I'm just being really indecisive. That's another problem with me. I'm just super indecisive, especially when it comes to my car. It is ridiculous, guys. Thank you for watching. Any help helps, essentially. I'm all ears. Any kind of comment or feedback or any suggestions you have down below, let me know. Thank you for watching, bro. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay consistent. Peace.